Eurodollar for August 19th through August 23rd. Okay, on the 19th, we have nothing interesting happening here. There's no setup and nobody goes anyplace. Same. On the 20th, as you can see, we have a setup and we have an overbought condition, but the euro can't really go anyplace during the first 4 hours. That's here. We don't see a reason to rush to get into the last 2.5 or 3 hours of that. If you did, you scrambled out with a little loss. On Wednesday the 21st, we have a fairly straightforward sale, but you need to be paying attention to what's going on. In the announcement, there's a Fed minutes release coming up in this hour here. We simply took our 14 ticks here. Yeah, it's not a lot, and went home. And if you didn't take it, when you see this red diamond, you might think about taking your few ticks before something bad happens. And what bad happens is that the market gets goofy when the notes were released, the minutes. On Thursday, we had a straightforward buy this guy, and you had your choice between the nearest nearby target and the next up target. The next up target was pretty easy. You probably would have gotten out on this bar, and you certainly would have gotten out on this bar, and that was 19. But what wasn't so easy was maintaining your composure after you shorted this bar. Let's go over here so it's a little easier. You might short this bar. You probably shouldn't. Well, actually, it isn't probably. You shouldn't, because this bar is oversold. And as we have seen in some other charts, shorting after an oversold is not a good plan. Consequently, you should actually only take the long trade here, and you're out here to win 19. And there's no trade on Friday. That means this plus 30 plus 14 and net plus 8 here should be, if you're paying attention, plus 33 and plus 30 for plus 63 on the week, which is a useful profit. It's not as big as crude oil was this week, but crude oil was really quite nice. And plus 63 on the week is not a terrible result for currency trading, especially in the less than easily tradable circumstances we're having now around the assorted governmental uncertainties.